Hello friends, myself Pritam and I am from Hasangarh. Today I am here to tell you about the best thing which has happened in my life in last 13 days. First best thing that is happening in my life that I meet three persons in iTong Institute. It's an English speaking institute, and Mr. Praveen Dhankar sir, Mr. Ankit Solanki and Seema ma'am. They teach me they teach me English speaking. Sorry, let me correct. They teach me how to live life. How to and live life means not that they teach me how to live, how to dress up myself, how to sit in a class. They teach me how to impress someone. They teach me how to pretend to the peoples. They teach me how to talk to the stranger and so many things, so many good things. And second things that I have some kind of a phobia to talk with a stranger, but nowadays it is not in my life. And third things that I have some kind of a fear to go to stage and speak someone. Even I can't speak myself also. That is what is my name, because I have a fear to go to stage. But starting, Ankit sir forced me to go to stage and tell me. First of all, I first in when first time I will go, I tell few lines that my name is Pritam and I am from Hasangarh. But nowadays I speak everything. I speak properly. I not properly, but I will try I will try to speak properly. And it's all about I talk, and it all thanks to Mr. Ankit Solanki sir, Seema ma'am, and Mr. Praveen Dhankar sir. That's all. Thank you.